Our process flow diagram, PFD, software, a vital component of our INSYS suite, has been a reliable partner in visualizing plant processes in the ever-changing industrial landscape. It's not just a tool, it's a system that's been adopted by numerous customers who actively incorporate it into their operations. Moreover, it's seamlessly integrated into our OneView and Solutions Space products within the INSYS suite. The PFD holds a unique position in the INSYS suite due to its distinctive capabilities. It initially offered 2D icons and a user-friendly interface. However, as we progressed, we began to recognize the limitations of our beloved PFD. The 2D icons lacked the visual appeal we aimed for. The connections between elements weren't as effective as we'd hoped, and selecting multiple or overlapped elements was a challenge. Each diagram required a significant amount of time to load, and animations were not possible. To overcome the challenges we faced, we've innovated and developed PFD 2.0. Now, let's launch PFD 2.0. The countdown begins now.
Today we are thrilled to unveil PFD 2.0. Let's kick things off by building a simple process flow diagram. PFD 2.0 introduces a whole new level of customization with its gradient settings. Toggle between applying gradient settings or simply filling the shape. PFD 2.0 offers two distinct types of gradients, linear gradient and radial gradient. PFD 2.0 comes preloaded with two types of gradient settings. Effortlessly apply them to your shapes for instant visual appeal. PFD 2.0 allows you to create custom gradient settings, letting you tailor the look and feel of your diagram to suit your unique style. In just seconds, watch as we effortlessly populate our diagram with shapes. Dragging, dropping, and resizing, PFD 2.0 lets you build your diagram at the speed of thought. In PFD 2.0, creating connections between elements is easy. Customize the link from start to finish. Control the path it takes, bend it to your will, and ensure it perfectly mirrors your process. PFD 2.0 doesn't stop there. Dive into additional link settings to fine-tune the display of your connections. From color to style, every detail is yours to command. Now, let's see PFD 2.0 in action as we swiftly establish connections between elements. Watch as links seamlessly come together, forming a web of efficiency and clarity. In PFD 2.0, selecting elements is easily. Just drag your mouse over elements and they are selected. Or hold down the Control button and click on elements to add them to your selection, and a simple Control click on a selected element remove it from the selection. You can press Ctrl+A to select all elements on your diagram at once. In PFD 2.0, positioning your elements is easy. Whether it's a single element or a group, you have the power to move them precisely using the arrow keys. Mistakes happen, it's all part of the creative process. Worry not, as PFD 2.0 captures every state of your graph. And with our undo and redo functionality, you can effortlessly navigate to the desired state. PFD has 4 additional custom components: the data tags, level indicator, text widget, and rich text. By adding data tags to your graph, you bring in the real-time values directly from the back-end, courtesy of the INSYS suite. It provides required valuable insights at a glance. Level indicators are much like data tags. It shows dynamically how much percentage of contents are there in a container. You can give the range limits dynamically, and watch as the indicator vividly displays the level. We can customize the visual representation of level indicators to align with different situations. In PFD 2.0, we have an auto-refresh option. Set the interval, and watch as the data tags refresh, providing real-time values at the frequency we set. Now, as everything is set, let's save it. Now let's check this PFD in viewer mode. Welcome to viewer mode in PFD 2.0, where spotlight shifts to analysis and insights. In viewer mode, the canvas is frozen in its perfection. We can use the snapshot slider provided to seamlessly travel through time, gaining insights into the state of our process flow at any given moment. This is PFD 2.0, streamlining the process, simplifying success.